Dabardan. I feel the heat of the sunrise of the sunny day morning here in Pakrac, Croatia. Wow, look at that. Amazing. I feel the heat of the sunrise at the place. Beautiful places. Mountain and the houses. Look at the place of the mountain and houses. This is a Pakrac, province of Croatia. The sunrise. Okay. Good weather today, my friend. Sunny day. It's a beautiful day. Ang ganda ng panahon dito. I feel the sun, the haring araw. Dabardan. Ang ganda ng panahon ngayon dito, mga kaibigan, sa Pakrac. See the beautiful place of Pakrac, mountain and houses. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. I love you, Europa. Oh. What a beautiful view. See? That is a beautiful view. Okay, bye-bye. I love you, Europa.